G'day guys, I want to talk about the importance of gutter vacuuming, and these are key factors that we need to consider when using any vacuum. So whether it's a little portable, a truck mount, and using vacuum poles, there are 6 sensors that we need to consider when carrying out vacuuming using vacuum poles. So pay attention. The first one is listening to your vacuum. So like if we're vacuuming at home and we suck up our sock with our traditional vacuum cleaner, you're going to hear the vacuum choke. So that's sensor and key factor number 1. The second factor is airflow. We can actually hear airflow in the gutter. So when we have the tooling out on a single story or at height, we can listen to the airflow at the tool end. So sensor number 2. Sensor number 3 is airflow. As we're using the vacuum poles, we can hear or we can feel the airflow in the poles. So that's crucial and allows us to determine whether we have blockages on the poles. The next sensor, temperature. As the poles become cold and wet, they'll become heavy. So the hose and the poles will start to clog, and that's an indication that we need to clean the vacuum poles by taking a gulpful of water or using a hose to remove that mud and debris from the vacuum poles. The next one is feel. When we put the gutter tooling into the gutter, we can actually feel metal on metal, or there are plastic tools, whether we're actually pushing down on a sponge or whether the gutter is clean, and we can feel that metal or plastic onto the metal, indicating that the gutter is clean. But the last point, the 6th sense, is the vacuum release pole. So as we're going along and cleaning that gutter, it is paramount that every few inches we're opening and closing the vacuum release port. So as we do that, if we get a gush of air from our vacuum release port, we know that we're clogged upstairs. As we go along, we can use the vacuum release to drop debris to the ground, but it's a good indication of movement along that gutter as to how we're performing at height. And once we have multiple poles and multiple stacked, that's going to become more critical in our gutter vacuuming technique.